Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see a very interesting topic where we will create a copy component, copy clipboard component where we can copy the particular text. So let's see how we can do in React.js. So very first I'll create one a button here. It will copy this copy clipboard text app. As of now, I will give like this. So I'll put this name in one use state. And as of now, I'll pass this name here. Perfect. So now we have to copy this name. Whenever we click here, so we should copy something like this. As of now, we are not seeing, right? We have copied this text, but whenever we click on this copy button, so it should copy this particular text from here. So for this one, what we can do is we can have on click event here, handle copy, and then we will define this function. Something like this. Yeah. So in React.js, there is one method, navigator.clipboard.write text. So this method will help us to copy the particular text. But this method will return promise, so we have to handle it. Either we have to use async await or we have to use dot then. So for this one, very first method is navigator dot. Here we have clipboard dot write text. This, and which text we have to copy? This text. So like wherever like we need a copy components in your project, so according to that we can pass particular text whichever we want to copy it. So this method will return promise, so simply we can have something dot then, and here we can have empty function, and as well as catch error. Here we can pass something like this console.log dot error while copy. So let me check whether we are able to copy or not. Let me click on copy here. So this function will get call and then it will get copy, and then we are providing this text whichever we want to copy. So let me check here. Yeah, perfect. So we are able to copy it. So now I'll change text from here. New, I'll do it new. Let me click on this copy. Perfect. So here, whenever we copy, so we will change the name of this button like for 2 seconds, that is copied, and then again we will revert back it to the copy. So as I already told you, this method will return promise. So for this one, I will define one state is copy. It is copy. False here. And then after that, whenever we click on this copy, I'll just change this flag. Set is flag copy. This one is I'll provide true. And then inside this callback of then we can do something, set timeout. We'll provide some delay here, delay that is 2 seconds. And then we will have this set is copy. We'll make it false again. For this 2 seconds only, this name will get changed, and again after 2 seconds, this will revert back to the false. And then according to that, we have to change this name. So is copy, if copy is true, then we can have copied, and then after, or if this flag is false, then we can have copy. So let's see, whenever I click on this copy, yeah, for 2 seconds I'm seeing this copied, and then this name will get copied, so that we can check it here. Yeah, perfect. So this is how we create a copy clipboard in React.js. So this is very commonly asked interview question. So interviewer might ask you to write some small program where we can create copy component. So in that case, you should be able to do something like this. Yeah. I hope you understood this video. If you like, then please do subscribe to my channel for support. We will see in next video. Till then, bye-bye.